It's possible to start burglar deterrent sounds automatically on a schedule by using Alexa routines. In this example, I'll show you how to start kitchen sounds every day at 2 p.m. First, make sure to use the sound at least once in the burglar deterrent skill, so that you can use your preferred settings for that sound. Okay, to do this, say Alexa, open burglar deterrent. Then choose a sound, and configure the options when prompted. Now you are ready to set up your routine. This is a way of telling Alexa to do something automatically without having to say the command. To set up a routine, open the Amazon Alexa app on your phone. In the app, the first step is to press on the More icon, which is found at the bottom right. This brings up extra options. Now, choose Routines to get started setting up your schedule. We need to add a new routine, so just press on the plus icon found in the top right corner. Now, press the plus icon, located next to enter routine name, so we can give your new routine a memorable name. Type in a descriptive name, for example, Kitchen Sounds Daily. Then press next located at the top right. Now we need to tell the routine when to start. So, press the plus icon located next to when this happens. We are now going to choose a specific time to start the sounds. Press the schedule icon, then on the next screen choose at time. Along with the time you can choose which days the schedule should run. All days are selected unless you press on one of them to remove it. For example, pressing on Saturday and Sunday would mean it does not run on those days. We'll leave all days selected in this example. Next, press select so we can choose the actual time to start. Now choose the start time for the sounds to play using the sliders. For example 1400, this would then play sounds at 2 p.m. every day. Once you've done that, press on next, located at the top right. Now we need to tell Alexa what should happen at this time. So now you should press the plus icon located next to add action. There are several types of action available. We want to use a customized action, which will tell burglar deterrent to play our chosen sound. So, press customize to continue. Now you can type instructions in this box. Type in ask burglar deterrent for kitchen sounds. You can replace kitchen with another sound if you prefer, such as living room, garage, or barking dog. Just make sure that you have used the sound at least once in the burglar deterrent skill. Once you have written your instructions, press next to continue. Finally, you need to choose which device should play the sound. Press choose device, and then select your Alexa device from the list. Once you've done that, press save located at the top right. Great, you've now created a routine, which will play sounds on the days and times you chose on your selected device. Now, you can either choose to leave the sounds playing until you return home and say, Alexa, stop. Or, you can set up another routine to stop the sounds at a given time. To set up a stop sounds routine, simply add a routine, and give it a descriptive name, such as Stop Kitchen Sounds. Then choose the days and time as before. For example, we could choose to stop the sounds at 3 p.m. every day. When you reach the Add Action step, you want to choose Device Settings this time. This lets you set the device's volume or stop whatever is playing. From here you now have the option to choose Stop Audio. Choose this, and then, select your Alexa device from the list which appears. In our example, the kitchen sounds, which started playing at 2 p.m. in our other routine, will now stop at 3 p.m. You can set up as many routines as you need to start and stop burglar deterrent sounds whilst you are away, so give it a try. You are now ready to use the powerful combination of burglar deterrent and Alexa routines to protect your home.